Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're building 3 different Python projects using only Python basics. We will use variables, inputs, if statements, loops, functions, lists, try and except, and we also use built-in module. Let's start. For the first project, we're making a number guessing game and we use the random module, loops, and if statements. In this project, the computer picks a random number and the user tries to guess it. The program keeps running until the answer is correct. We will write import random secret goes random dot random, then 1 comes 10, then guess 0, and then while guess secret, then guess go int input guess the number 1 through 10, and then if guess is smaller than secret, print too low, and else if guess is bigger than secret, print too high, and then we go out of the while and we write print you guessed it. The int converts input to a number, and the while loop repeats the game, and if statements compare values. Random makes the number of the secret different every time. Now we're gonna run it. It says guess the number. For example, I'll write 5. It says too high. And for example, I'll write number 2. It says too low. About number 3, it says you guessed it. For the second project, we're gonna make a calendar viewer, and we use the calendar module and input. Now we use a Python's built-in calendar module to print a real calendar for any month. We import calendar, then year equal int, input, enter year, and then month, again int, input, and enter a month 1 to 12. And then we print calendar.month year, month. The user enters a year and a month, and the calendar.month prints the full calendar of the month and the year that we set, and Python automatically knows how many days each month have. Now we're gonna run it, and it says enter year. For example, we write 2025, and then enter a month, we say 12. And as you can see, it says 2025 December, and then it brings the days and the number of the day. For the third project, we'll make a user login system. We'll use variables, input, if statements, loops, functions, list, try except, and in this project, we'll build a simple user login system. The user has 3 attempts to log in correctly. We write dev login system, then users, and then attempts, we write 3, then while attempt is bigger than 0, we write username, input, username, and then password equals input password. And try if username in users and username equals to password, and then print logging successful, and then we return. Then else attempts minus equals to 1, print wrong login, attempts left and then we put attempts, and then except print something went wrong, and then outside the while we print account locked, and then users we put admin equal 1234, and then user equals pass, then login system users. Now I'm gonna run the code, and it says username. I'll enter, for example, the wrong one, right? Pass, for example, and then password we add user, and then it says wrong login, attempts left, and it says 2. For the next one, I'll add admin, and then password 1234, and it says login successful. User data is stored in a collection, and the loop limits login attempts. The function organizes the logic, and try except prevents crashes. The conditions check username and password. You can also try improving these projects. Like for the first one, you can add source tracking to the game. The second one, you can print a full year calendar. And the last one, you can hash passwords in the login systems. Like and subscribe for more Python projects and tutorial. See you in the next one.